In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Podia. First, head to your Podia dashboard. This is your home base for everything on your site. From the main navigation, look for the blog option and click it. If this is your first time using the blog feature, you'll see a prompt to set things up. Go ahead and click Set up blog. Podia will create the basic structure you need so you can start publishing right away. Next, click New Post to create your first article. You'll be taken to a clean text editor where you can write your content. Use the formatting tools to add headings, bold text, links, and lists, and insert images or buttons to make your post more engaging. Keep your paragraphs short and scannable, and break up the page with visuals where it makes sense. When your draft looks good, open the Details tab. Here you can upload a featured image that appears on your blog index, and at the top of the post, add a short excerpt to tease the content, choose the author, and organize your post with categories. Categories help readers browse related topics, so pick the ones that best match your content. Then switch to the SEO tab. Add a clear SEO title and a concise meta description so search engines understand your topic. You can also set a social sharing image to control how your post looks when it's shared on platforms. If you're not ready for the post to appear in search results, toggle that off for now and turn it on later. When everything is set, click Publish to make your post live. With your first post published, let's customize the look of your blog. From your dashboard, open the website builder, then select the blog section in the left-hand sidebar. Start with the blog index page, which lists all your posts. Adjust the layout, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Next, customize the blog post page template, which controls the design of individual articles, things like header style, typography, and footer content. If you're using categories, you can also customize the category page to give topic hubs a consistent look. As you edit, preview your changes, and check how everything looks on mobile. Finally, share your blog. Your new post now appears on the blog index page. So copy the URL and share it on social media, in emails, or anywhere your audience is active. Podia's built-in email marketing tools make it simple to send your post to subscribers right from your dashboard. That's it. Your Podia blog is set up, styled, and ready to share.